Hey guys, welcome back to Earning with Bits. Get excited about this one, guys. Today I'm going to teach you how to beat Provably fair and always win at dice games. Hold on to your seats and let's get started. After you sign up to BNB Kong, Tron Kong, or any other dice game Faucet, get started by first verifying your account to get bonus spins to play. Once you have enough coins to play, go directly to the dice game. It should be located under Games on your dashboard. Now do not skip this video because what I'm going to explain needs you to pay attention to every detail or you won't win. You'll lose a big bet that you should have won or just end up wasting your time gambling. Start by setting your win percentage to anywhere below 10%. Below 6 or 5 works best for me. The purpose of this strategy is to win the maximum amount you can for the smallest bet you're willing to make. Put your first bet amount to the lowest possible amount you can bet. You have a 10% chance of rolling a number below 10 or above 90, so burn at least 10 useless rolls with the lowest amount you can bet to prime the algorithm. Bingo! If you win before you burn 10 rolls instantly, flip the bet to the opposite side by selecting the Under tab. Now pay attention. Do not lower your bet. If you roll above 90, Provably fair for some reason tends to glitch and average itself out over a smaller sample cycle. The odds of you rolling under a 10 seems to increase when it shouldn't. Keep betting and doubling your bet if you lose. You should usually win in less than 12 rolls. I'm slowing down the footage so you don't get lost. If I lose more than 12 times in a row, I start to double and triple my bets. The purpose of starting with the lowest bet is because when you double or triple your bet, you don't want to get too close to your total balance. Jackpot. I won. Now I flip the bet once again and repeat. And double every 2 rolls. The odds of rolling a number less than 10 twice in a row or above 90 twice in a row on a 100-sided dice is less than 1%, 0.64% to be exact, because Provably fair seems to be obeying the laws of averages. The odds of rolling below 10 after you've rolled above 90 twice in a row increases dramatically on these games when they shouldn't. Watch me play and you'll see what I mean. If I lose more than 12 times in a row, I start to double and triple my bets. The purpose of starting with the lowest bet is because when you double or triple your bet, you don't want to get too close to your total balance. Once again, study how I play. I mastered this game and I destroy all of these dice sites. If you roll above 90 twice in a row or below 10 twice in a row, feel free to 5x your bet. Bingo! I won. You can see my balance going up at the top. Now I flip the bet once again and repeat. If you don't understand, watch how I play. The purpose of starting with the lowest bet is because when you double or triple your bet, you don't want to get too close to your total balance. Jackpot. I won. Now I flip the bet once again and repeat. Do not get greedy. When you win, cash out some profit and play with the house money. What I'm doing here is doubling my bet because if I roll anything less than 10, it should increase my chances of getting a jackpot. So if I roll a 3 or a 1, I will increase my bet sizes knowing the dice is going to roll somewhere above a 92 or 93 soon. I'm playing into the averages and it works. Once again, study how I play. Wow, we won again. Now I flip the bet once again and repeat. This is the only betting strategy you need. The purpose is to win as close to the maximum payout as possible. 15x or more. One big win is better than a whole bunch of small ones. As you can see, since I'm gaining momentum, so I didn't want to start at the lowest amount. That's a little risky, but I wanted to win a bigger pot. Bingo. Now I flip the bet once again and repeat. This works on any dice game site. I'm going to pause this video and bring up easy Litecoin Faucet. Okay, watch me work. As you can see, this is a totally different website, and the strategy still works. Every time you win, just flip your bet. Make sure you start with the lowest bet amount. Okay, I'm going to speed up the footage because you already learned the strategy. Bingo, I won. You can see my balance going up at the top. When you get used to playing, you'll know when it's about to pay. Do not get greedy. When you win, cash out some profit and play with the house money. If you like my strategy, please like and subscribe. This is a simple strategy of just reversing your bet. Bingo, I won. You can see my balance going up at the top. Bingo. Okay, I'm going to pause the video. You see what I did here? This is very important. Great, now back to Tron. Amazing, we keep winning. Okay, I'm going to speed up the footage because you already learned the strategy. Bingo. Wow, we won again. Thank you for joining us here at Earning with Bits. If you like my strategy, please like and subscribe.